Recently, while I'm working on my new studio, I discovered neon lights, which I would really love to have in my new space. The problem with neon lights is that if you make them professionally, they are quite expensive. If you make them DIY, well, I've seen just some videos and it looked not good. But then I discovered some street artists who are actually able to paint them on a wall. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Yep! Our beloved subway station is still working. If you have an idea what kind of an effect should I try to paint next time, such as water, wood, or whatever, let me know your idea in the comments below. I've been studying these artworks and I believe that I know exactly what we need. First of all, we need a dark background. I don't mean black, I mean something a little bit like a really dark gray color. And the easiest way how to achieve such a color is to mix a black color with a little bit of white color. The first step is done and right now we need to talk about the cans. Some of you might know that there are ordinary, normal color cans and then there are neon cans. Can you see the difference? The neon cans are much more neon. I've never done this before so I'm not sure, but in my theory we need a white color. Then we need a neon color and then we need one more color similar to the neon one but not a neon one. So first of all, you make a white line. Then you outline this white line with a neon color. And then you take the normal color and you make a flare around the stick, the neon. And the last step is that you repaint the white part once again and make a little bit of flare over there as well. I made the first stick with both red colors, neon and traditional one. Then I tried to make another stick with traditional red color only. And I have to say that the one where I used neon looks much better. This is where I used neon as well. And this is the one where I didn't use neon at all. Alright, let's do it. I wanted to make a shiny neon tag on a wall, and I had a dream that I will just make the tag like without any repairs, without anything. But this dream ended really quickly. It turned out that it is quite hard to make tags in super big scale. I don't really know if I want to step away from the wall. Probably I'm just gonna stay over here and enjoy the dirt. Okay. The O is too small and the E isn't, the part of the E isn't down enough. Like, you know, I want to have it symmetrical with the D in the same height. I had a dream and the dream is gone. See, that has a vibe. This has a crookedness. Yeah, just the one stupid tag, right? Well, it didn't really work like I expected. I had to do a lot of adjustments, but whatever, that's a part of the job. And right now comes the time to make the neon effect. Unlike in the beginning, I decided to do the flares in a little bit different way that you can see on the screen right now. Alright, so at this stage, it already kind of looks like neon lights, I guess. But I'm a little bit concerned about it because the flares that I've done are not that clean as I wanted to do them. It's a little bit windy, that makes my job a little bit harder, but I don't want to complain about that, although I just complained about it. Right now I'm gonna put the white lines inside of these flares that are already there, and then I'm gonna outline these white lines with the neon red color. That's the plan. Hopefully it's gonna work. Already love it like this, but right now I'll try to put that neon over there and we'll see what's gonna happen. It's time for the one last final effect, which should complete today's neon experience. Do you know that feeling when your artwork is almost done and you want to add one more thing, and this one thing completely messes the whole artwork? That's how I feel right now. Alright, thanks God the final effect didn't end up that bad as it appeared. Right guys, if you like what you're about to see, thumb up would be awesome. Subscribe to my channel if you are new over here, and let me know in the comments below what kind of an effect should I try next time. Water, wood, what do you think? This is